Day 1. First question is, what are the policies in constructing a project plan? By the way, I am Teacher Alvin, your Teleerific teacher. Before we start, we're gonna have our simple games, what we call word games. So direction, find the words or keywords related to packaging and labeling. So we're gonna have our 11 words to find. Okay, so first word is breakage, spoilage, packaging, labeling, containers, creative, storage, safety, layer, display, and shipping. So I will give you at least 1 minute to find the words, and then we help each other to find the word in our table. Let's go! Okay, first word, we need to find the word breakage. Okay, I will give you a time to find the word breakage, spoilage, packaging, labeling, containers, creative, storage, safety, layer, display, and shipping. Okay, so time's up. So first word, package. So una muna natin gagawin dito is hanapin yung letter B na word or letter B na letter from the word package. Okay, so letter B, meron ditong letter B sa baba, may letter B dito sa portion sa na, at may letter B dito sa portion sa. Okay, dalawa lang yung letter B na nakita ko. So sa ibaba merong word na breakage. So, reversed word siya. Yan. Okay. Breakage. Next words, we have the spoilage. O gusto ko talagang uunahin yung words na sunod-sunod. Nakita ko ng ibang mga words but still unahin ko yung mga sunod-sunod na mga words. Mga word. Okay. Spoilage. So, nakita ko. Ito siya. Another word. Palitan natin yung ating palitan natin ng kulay red and lapad-laparan natin yung ating pencil or colored pencil na ginagamit. Packaging. Yun. So, letter P from the word packaging. Okay, letter P for packaging. So, nakita niyo na ba si packaging? Okay, so nakita ko na siya. Ito siya, packaging. Okay, next word is labeling. Labeling. Okay, so letter L, labeling. So nakita nyo na ba? Okay, so nakita ko na siya. Here we go. Labeling. Next words is containers. Yan, letter C naman yung hanapin natin kay containers. Ayun, sa taas. Unang word talaga na makita natin, si containers. Unang word na makita natin dito, si containers. Okay, creative. Yun. So, letter C naman. So, ito, creative. Yan. Next, we have the storage. Nakita nyo ba si storage? O nakita nyo, saan siya kaya? Okay, letter S. Okay, so reverse na naman siya, no? Next word is safety. Yun. So, nakita nyo na ba si safety? Another reverse word mula sa baba hanggang pataas. Now, next word is layer. Yan. So, kitang-kita agad, no? Layer. Next word is display. Yun, Okay, display, letter D. So, nakisa letter D, display. Nakita nyo na ba? So, ito siya. Tabi siya ni packaging. Another word is, last word is shipping. Okay. So, letter S. Okay, so ito naman siya is diagonal or slanting line. So, kompleto na ba tayo? So, nakita na natin si breakage, check, spoilage, packaging, labeling, containers, creative, storage, safety, layer, display, and shipping. Okay. So, next picture. Look at the picture. So, makita natin, no? So, ang ganda ng picture na ito. Kaso nga lang black and white. Okay, what did you notice about the individual products display on the cabinets, racks, or shelves? So, as I can see or makita ko dito, so nakalagay sila ng nakasalansan ng maayos. At the same time, meron silang magandang lagayan or they arrange properly and has perfect packaging as I can see the picture. So how about you? What can you see? What can you say or what can you notice about our picture? Okay. Next. Which one of these two do you prefer? What can you see in the picture? What are the uses of this? So makikita natin dito as we can see brick carton or boxes. So we will have our box of, maybe it is box of gadgets, chargers of gadgets. Another box is box of cell phone, brand Raspberry phone. And another one is box of, maybe it's food or pizza or something that like that. Okay, so as I can see this picture, it's made up of boxes, packaging of one products. Okay, so they're gonna use a brick carton. Okay, so and this packaging is good looking packaging with label. Okay, next. So what is the definition of packaging? And of course, labeling. Packaging is the science, art, technology of enclosing or protecting products for distributions, storage, sale, and use. Another meaning of packaging is the activities of designing and producing the container for a product. Okay, that is a packaging. Like for example, this one is the example of packaging. A package made up of brick carton. Next, we have the labeling. Labeling is any written electronic or graphic communication on the packaging or a separate but associated label. So as you can see, children, this package with label. So makikita natin yung name of brand name, the design, and what is in the package. And another meaning is display of information about the products on its container, packaging, or the products itself. So label siya. So nakita natin, no? So yung product niya is pen, and then the name is the name of the products and how we can use this product and what is the purpose of these products and how to use these products. So labeling. Okay. Next slides. Functions and importance of packaging. So first we have the number one, promoting and selling the products. We're gonna use the packaging to promote and sell our product. Attractive, colorful, and visually appealing packages have promotional value. Sabi nga nila, maganda yung package, matibay, at colorful siya or attractive ang ano niya. So mas mabili ang package or yung products I mean. Okay, a well-designed package is a powerful selling device because it helps the product stand out from its competitors. So nakita natin stand out from its competitors. So kung ang products mo ay talagang matibay, maganda, so ikita siya through your package and label. Defining products identity. So kung cellphone man yan, pen, or what kind of products, like for example, this one is another products. Okay? So this products is wireless microphone, mini microphone. Okay, defining products identities to promote images as prestige, convenience, or status. Number 3, providing information gives customer useful information on direction for using the products. So, pinapakita din sa ating label or sa ating package kung paano siya ginagamit. Its contents or only lalaman. Products guarantees, mga guarantees or mga warranties as you can see in the products and potential hazards. So, paano siya gagamitin, paano siya iwasan na hindi masisira, paano siya iingatan ng products mo. And next, we have the number 4, expressing customer needs. So, makikita ninyo, no? Kailangan mo bumili ng pen or itong wireless microphone. So, customer needs. Kung anong kailangan mo. So, yun yung makikita mo sa packaging. When designing packages, companies analyze customer lifestyle and create packaging that meets their needs for sizes or size and convenience. And number 5, ensure safe use. Proper packaging helps to eliminate potential injuries or misuse of the products. Formerly glass containers are now plastic. So yung dati yung container na gawa sa glass kasi pag nabasag nakakasugat. So ngayon pinalitan siya ng plastic kasi yung plastic mas durable kaysa doon sa glass. Hindi madaling sira or mabasag yung glass, yung plastic compare sa glass. Okay? Then child-proof cups like for example sa medicine na pangbata. So hindi siya mapipihit kaagad-agad or basta-basta ng kids or ng baby pag binuksan nila ito kasi child-proof cups siya. And tamper-resistant package. Hindi siya basta-basta mabasag or masira. At the same time, hindi siya basta-basta mapalitan. Or hindi siya madaya or hindi siya basta-basta madaya ang package na yun. Kaya nga mayroon doon nakalagay na do not accept if the seal is broken. And number 6, protect the products. Must protect during shipping, storage, and display. So, kagaya din ito, matibay yung package, kaya hindi siya basta-basta na dudurog kapag pinipisit siya. Next, prevent or discourage from tampering. Sabi nga natin kanina, hindi siya basta-basta mas nasisira at the same time, hindi siya basta-basta mapalitan ng itampered ang products na yun. And prevent against breakage and spoiling. Next, common materials for packaging. Of course, we have a plastic. Okay, plastic packaging. Next, metal packaging or tin. So, yung packaging na ginagamit sa tin, like for example, yung beverages, yung soft drinks, and liquor or beer na ginagamit na iniinom natin. So, nakapackage sa kanya is tin or metal. Brick carton. Ito siya, no? Brick carton siya. So, matibay siya. Hindi siya basta-basta nasira. And cardboard. So, they are the common materials for packaging. Types of packaging. Of course, primary packaging. The materials that first envelopes the products and hold it. So, kung like for example, bumili ka ng soft drinks, nakapackage siya ng tin. And then, after that, we have the secondary packaging. So, is outside the primary packaging, perhaps used to group primary packages together. So, nilalagay ng plastic. Okay? Para sama-sama sila. Like, for example, 12 na piraso or 6 na piraso. And then, tertiary packaging. Ito naman yung karton na nilagay doon sa nilalagyan doon ng products. Ito naman yung karton para doon sa bulk. Okay? It's used for bulk handling, warehouse, storage, and transport shipping. The most common form is palletized unit load that packs tightly into containers. So, nilalagay ng palletized para siyang mga maliliit na mga foams para sa mga lalambot siya na hindi siya basta-basta nasisira. Okay? Na mga carton. Next. So, we will have our group activity. Yun. Okay, first our materials is products. So, create your own products. Then, pencils, marking pen, glue, scissors, cutter, and corrugated cardboard. So, kung ano lang yung pwede natin magamit, okay lang siya. Basta meron tayong packaging. Give each group a sample products and the materials for packaging and labeling. So, gawa kayo ng products na gawa niyo ng packaging and labeling. Kunyari lang sa ating activity. Each group should come up with a unique and creative packaging and labeling using new concepts learned. And lastly, let them explain why did they come up with that packaging and design and labeling. That is our activity, children. Next, we will have our individual activity. Okay, so the title is Importance of Packaging and Labeling. So at least 4. So lagyan natin ng laman yung 4 na boxes. Diyan ay ang 5 boxes. Lagyan natin the importance of packaging and labeling. Bakit kailangan nating magkaroon ng packaging and labeling? Next. Okay. So next we have our next situational. We have our situation. Your family went for a vacation in your grandmother's province. So pumunta kayo ng probinsya, like for example dito sa Region 4A, also known as Calabar Zone, stand for Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Okay? So, Region 4A, Calabar Zone, pumunta ka example sa Laguna, pumunta ka kay grandmothers mo, and then bumisita ka doon. So, sa akin naman yung province ko is Negros Occidental. So, the language is Hiligaynon or Ilonggo. Okay, that is the language of our province or the dialect. Okay, your lola has lots of poultry products such as eggs, and they asked you to bring with you dozens of eggs or dozens of them. How will you pack those eggs to ensure safety protection? So, paano natin yun? I-balot yung itlog for safety protection. Okay? Sasagutan sa activity notebook. Okay, next. What are the packaging and labeling? So, as we define in our first slide, so we define the packaging and labeling. Okay, or what are the packaging and labeling techniques? Next, so we will have our short quiz. So, maiksi lang itong ating day 1, no? Okay, direction from column B match the functions and importance of packaging that is stated in column A. Tanungin natin. Sagutin natin to. So, I will give you a time. So, number 1, expressing customer needs. Number 2, providing information. Number 3, ensure safe use. Number 4, protect the products. And number 5, promoting and selling the products. And number 6, defining products identity. Okay, so honesty is the best policy. Sagutan natin. Okay. Okay, time's up. Okay, so try natin sagutan yung question nito. Number 1, expressing customer needs. So sa kabila, meron tayong proper packaging helps to eliminate potential injuries or misuse of a product. So hindi siya yung sagot, no? Letter B, use promote an image such as prestige, convenience, or status. Letter C, when designing package, companies analyze customer lifestyle and create packaging that meets the needs or their needs for size and convenience. And letter D, attractive, colorful, and visually appealing packages have promotional value. A well-designed package is a powerful selling device because it helps the product stands out from its competitors. Letter E, must protect during shipping, storage, and display. And number 5, gives customer useful information. Okay, so nasagutan naman natin. So, try nating sagutan ito. Number 1, para sa sagot natin sa number 1. Ang tamang sagot dyan is letter C. Okay? So, palitan natin yung kulay ng natin para medyo maganda yung kulay natin. Okay, so lagyan natin ng color red. Letter C. Providing information. Okay. Elimination. Okay. Attractive, colorful, and Okay. Providing information, letter F. Kabasahin natin yung letter F. Gives customer useful information on the products. Okay. Next. Okay, letter F. Ensure safe use. So, ang sagot natin dito is use, promote, and images as per stage convenience. Proper packaging helps eliminate potential injuries. Okay. So, letter A. Okay, number 4. Protect products. Okay, must protect during shipping, storage, and display. So, the answer is letter E. Number 5, promoting and selling the products. Okay, use the promote and images as per stage convenience or status. Okay, so letter B. And lastly, defining products identity. Okay, attractive color for unusual products, promotional value, well-designed package, and powerful selling. Okay, so letter D. Okay, so that is our evaluation for today. So the answer is letter C, F, A, E, B, and D. Okay, so what is your answer? What is your score? You got perfect? Perfect 6. Comment down below your score. Okay, and honesty is the best policy. Next. Okay, so that is our topic for day 1, children, and thank you very much for watching my video. Hope that may give you a lot of information about the topics. Shout out grade 6 Kamyang, grade 6 Sampaguita, grade 6 Lirio, grade 6 Daisy, grade 6 Orchids, and all grade 6 pupils, grade 6 Sunflower, grade 6 Santan, grade 6 Tulips, grade 6 Rosal, and grade 6 all grade 6. And thank you very much for watching, and adios amigos.